want to welcome you to Puerto Seco Beach, the new addition to our family of properties that is being developed under the Guardsman Group.
We're located in Main Street, Discovery Bay, right across from the Texaco gas station. We open from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m.
We newly reopened in June of this year and will be opening officially at the end of September. What we've done here is a full development.
This property has so many amenities. We have the water sports shop where in October we'll be offering a full comprehensive dive program. We have the Wibbit obstacle course, which is it's an underwater water park. We have a 150-foot swimming pool.
A brand new restaurant, 2 bars, beach, jerk shack, fantastic restroom facilities with changing rooms, lockers for rental. Shopping is on property with a gift shop and a series of shops along the beach side. We also have a series of private cabanas for those who like to be treated specially with a VIP service. In addition to that, we're putting in a mini zoo area with a splash pad play area for the children, which we hope will be completed by the end of 2018.
I used to come here, say about 15 years ago, and I see a lot of changes with Puerto Seco.
The beach is nice. Everything come like a South Beach then. And say who fix up that's #1.
I am enjoying the Puerto Seco beach, really good.
Everything about it is gorgeous. The ocean is right there, and you can also view it from the pool over here.
They treat people nice, and they got a good service. The bartender is very good.
The staff and everyone's so pleasant and entertaining. A lot of entertainment, a lot of music, and a lot of fun.
Working at the Puerto Seco Beach, I find it very fun and exciting. Every day we get to meet new people. Each day we have an entertainment program. We provide a lot of entertainment for the whole family.
Everything has been nice and clean, and we loved our visit so far. Yeah, can't wait to come back.
I was born and raised in Discovery Bay area, so I know about the old Puerto Seco.
In the old days, man, when we were little youth, I come boy, man, the Puerto Seco never stay so. 15, 20 years ago, I true enough people don't come here yet. When them start coming here, they must see the quality of the beach. If you pay $1,000 to come in here, so it's worth it.
Since it has been renovated, we have had thousands of guests coming here. It has been one of the most loved attractions.
I'm going to recommend my friend to coming over here. When they coming to like Disney cruise, or they can coming over here directly to the hotel and everything like that, I recommend that they can coming over here, and they're going to have a lot of fun.
I recommend everyone to come to Puerto Seco. It's an excellent place to come with your friends and family.
Working here at Puerto Seco for the past year, it has been a good experience for me.
What makes it different here at Puerto Seco is the service that we offer.
We've done quite a bit in terms of our outreach to the communities in doing this development.
Most of our employees are from within the area.
Right now we're up to about 80 employees from the surrounding community, and there are plans to increase that number as we go further on into the season.
In my community, there was a lot of persons not working, but recently we have persons working who I've seen sitting down for years.
What we're also doing is a lot of community outreach by way of the Discovery Bay area where we're located. We're going to be doing the community playground, improving on that, doing plantings along the roadside coming into Puerto Seco from as far as Rio Buena coming down into Runaway Bay. All of that is an initiative from the Guardsman Group.
I would love to see more development, and when I say development, I mean development like the one that we currently have here at Puerto Seco, where the young people can come out and be employed.
And we're trying to give back as well in terms of the environment, where we separate our garbage, burn less, and we're improving on our recycling as it relates to the water treatment plant. We have major improvement on that as well.
Personally, it has offered personal growth to manage this property, to manage the 84 team members that we have here on property, and also we're expanding our operation and moving out into Discovery Bay, you know, by providing more employment for everyone here.